Hello YouTubers, as you see, Mel here, eating a pork pie.
A little one.
And Max is down there. I'm recording on my main vlogging camera again, as I found the micro SD card that was in the camera that went missing. Like I've said in a previous video, well, I don't know if I actually said it in that video, but it turned up underneath like a makeshift temporary sort of wardrobe that we have. So I'm back to my usual vlogging. As crap as the light is in here, but fucking awesome. I'm surprised that there is actually so much storage in this 32GB micro SD card. 1 hour 56 minutes. So there must be something on this. It usually goes to 2 hours 20 or something. Oh well. Brief fridge tour. Stuff. No. You just lift your head up onto me home. Mel, do you want to do a fridge tour? That somebody asked about. I don't know if it was Alex even tell or somebody.
Yeah. So, as you can
the
see,
whole video, fair enough.
we got dairy, donut, tuna pasta, some grapes, rice, mince and beef and onion pies, like a rissola thing, coleslaw ham, the crispy cakes, custard, horrible yogurt called
Take your time.
some pasties, obviously more couscous.
Powerpuff Girls, Easter egg.
It doesn't live in there,
It does now.
but oh well.
Yeah, hey.
Refrigerators, milkshakes, whipped cream, coleslaw, hummus and corner and butter and Hellman's mayonnaise. And very funny, and Hanson, Mbop single version and album
Mbop,
version.
Mel? You weren't even alive when this was released. I'm pretty damn sure.
Hello, Stephen Robson.
Hanson, Mbop. Da ba doo up.
Yeah, I was.
Were you?
Boo up, ba ba boo up.
You weren't alive when it was released, Mel.
No.
It was like 90. Oh, Christ, I don't know.
Yeah.
Who knows? Let us know in the comments. Hanson, Mbop. When was that released? Actually, it'll show you on this audio cassette, won't it? I don't want. What is that?
It's got no pie in. It's got no pastry.
Well, I don't want your pastry, thanks, anyway.
It's just the pastry.
1997, I was thinking 97. 1997. Had this tape for that long. Check it out. Hanson, Mbop. It's like MMM space.
That would be
BOP.
21 years older than me.
21 years older than you. I hate maths, well come on now. 21 years older than you.
Yeah.
That's 2 years older.
Yeah.
You said 21?
Okay.
Yeah. What?
I
That
basically
doesn't matter.
said it's 2 years older than this, but obviously I must have thought I said something
It
different.
really sounded like 21 or something.
No,
Oh well.
I said it's like 21. That album would be 21 years old now. Depends when it got released. How many moves?
Right then, YouTubers, my next video will be... She cracks me up. Insanity. My next video will be a replay of a level that I have, not level, but a stage.
You said you would
Basically,
let me.
Yeah, I'll let you play this game. It will be...
I'm gonna feed myself.
You're gonna pee yourself?
Feed?
Ah, no, I'm just having a laugh. My next video will most probably be a replay of this Gran Turismo 6 game where I kick ass in. I'll just do the replay thing, see if I can save it, and then show you
I've got it.
in a future video. It's like I wanna not rush videos,
I've got a question.
but I'm the
everybody.
big boss guy when it comes to games. I just don't want to show it in a live stream or record everything.
I got a question. Can you recycle these?
Yes, aluminium.
Put it in your recycling bin.
But recycling, man. Ooh.
Look, everybody.
Recycling apparently does more harm than good to
Oh, well.
Earth's environment.
But Melissa likes to recycle, so therefore I got a new recycling bin today. We put all of our recycling stuff in. How awesome, everybody! Back to Stephen Robson.
Oh, you can end the recording if you like. Just
Goodbye, Steve.
record me. Don't end it right now, Mel. I want to say happy birthday to my sister Sarah. She is 24 today. So,
Yeah, happy birthday,
sis.
Sarah.
Awesome. And you will see me gaming in the future. But the only way at the moment that I can record these videos is to record my TV screen. Or rather, our
Goodbye.
TV screen. Yeah, bye.